Hey everybody, Emeka here, and I wanted to do a quick video and show you exactly how you run ads for your books on Amazon with KDP. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up what's called a test campaign for you live for one of the books here. Obviously, I'm going to have to blur out a bit of information, but I just want to kind of show you. Basically, this is a very, very brief, small snippet of one of the more detailed lessons is inside my new updated program, my self-publishing blueprint volume 2. So so I'm just going to sign in my dashboard here really quick. And I'll just pick like this first book right here. I don't know if there's ads running for this book. So once you click on the book, you go and you choose one of the platforms or one of the marketplaces that you want to run your ad. So I'm going to pick the .com. Create an ad campaign. So I'm going to set up what's called an Autotest Campaign. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to choose our campaign type. I'm going to choose sponsored products. I already forgot what book. I think this is a meditation book. So I'm going to put Met Kids Auto Test. Right, give it a little nickname. No start date. Daily budget. I'm just going to put it $10 for right now. I'm going to do automatic targeting, meaning Amazon's going to decide what to target in terms of keywords and products for me. Excuse me. I'm going to choose dynamic bids down only. Ad format, I'm going to choose standard ad. Okay, ad group, just ad group 1. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to, this might be blurred out, I'm sorry, but the ebook is selected. I actually want the paperback selected. So what I'm going to do is, I might not even have a paperback for this because it's, okay, because it's an audiobook. It's designed primarily for audiobooks, so we don't produce the paperback version of this. So whatever, but normally you want the paperback version. So go ahead. All right, and so the default bid, so suggested bid is $1. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start the bid. We're just going to go at 50 cents. I just want to kind of get a test for it and see how that goes. Negative keywords now, because this is a kid's book, I'm going to put adults. Actually, no, I'm not going to do any negative keywords. I could, because this is a meditation for kids book, I could put adults in there, but I want to kind of see what happens, because with children's books, people search for them different ways. So that's something to play around with after, once you have some data that we're going to get from this. So that's boom. That's so no negative keyword targeting. We're not going to do anything for that right now. Other than that, then you simply just hit launch campaign, and you're done. Like, that's stupidly easy. That's how you set up a basic ad campaign for your books. Now what I would do, I'd go in and I'd do a manual test campaign, and I'd go through my process of finding what are the keywords I want to start testing out because of, from what the data Amazon's given me, and go through that and go through the similar process to set up a manual test campaign. Wait a couple weeks, let these run, grab data, get my search report, and then look at setting up a scaling campaign. And that would be kind of the next step from there. And then further, you optimize it afterwards. So anyways, I just wanted to shoot a quick lesson, throw it up on the channel here, lesson video, more in depth, way more in depth on multiple modules on this inside my self-publishing blueprint volume 2 that is coming out very, very soon, finally. But yeah, I just want to shoot a quick video here. Hopefully this helps. Let me know down in the comments. Till next time, everyone, I'm Emeka. Speak to you soon.